Here is a more detailed, elaborated pharmacology note on Colistin, suitable for nursing, pharmacy, medical exam preparation. Colistin, 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, colistin, colistimethate sodium. Drug class, polymyxin antibiotic, bactericidal antimicrobial. Cell membrane active antibiotic. Reserve last line antibiotic. Common brand names, colimycin M, colomycin, promyxin. Available drug forms, 1. Injection, intravenous IV, intramuscular IM. 2. Inhalation, nebulized solution for lung infections. 3. Oral, rarely used because it is poorly absorbed. Number 2. Definition. Colistin is a polymyxin antibiotic used to treat life-threatening infections caused by multi-drug-resistant gram-negative bacteria. It is considered a last resort antibiotic because it is mainly used when other antibiotics such as carbapenems, cephalosporins, or aminoglycosides fail due to bacterial resistance. It was first discovered in 1947 from the bacterium Paenibacillus polymyxa. Number 3. Mechanism of action. Colistin acts by damaging the bacterial cell membrane. Step-by-step mechanism. 1. Colistin binds to lipopolysaccharide LPS molecules present in the outer membrane of gram-negative bacteria. 2. It displaces calcium and magnesium ions that stabilize the bacterial membrane. 3. This causes disruption of membrane integrity. 4. The cell membrane becomes permeable. 5. Intracellular contents leak out. 6. This leads to rapid bacterial cell death. Type of action, bactericidal, kills bacteria. Spectrum of activity, effective mainly against gram-negative bacteria such as Pseudomonas aeruginosa, Acinetobacter baumannii, Klebsiella pneumonia, Enterobacter species. Not effective against gram-positive bacteria or anaerobes. Number 4. Pharmacokinetics. Absorption. Oral absorption is very poor, therefore mainly given IV, IM, or inhalation. Distribution. Widely distributed in body tissues. Moderate penetration into liver, kidney, lungs, poor penetration into cerebrospinal fluid, CSF. Metabolism. Colistimethate sodium is a prodrug. It is converted in the body to active colistin. Excretion, mainly eliminated through kidneys. Half-life, approximately 3 to 5 hours. May increase in renal impairment. Number 5. Uses. Colistin is mainly used to treat severe and life-threatening infections, including 1. Hospital-acquired infections, 2. Ventilator-associated pneumonia, 3. Bloodstream infections, septicemia, 4. Urinary tract infections, 5. Intra-abdominal infections, 6. Meningitis, in some cases, 7. Lung infections in cystic fibrosis patients. Number 6. Indications. Colistin is indicated in infections caused by multi-drug-resistant gram-negative bacteria when other antibiotics are ineffective. Common indications include multi-drug-resistant pneumonia, resistant urinary tract infections, resistant bloodstream infections, severe ICU infections, carbapenem-resistant bacterial infections. Number 7. Contraindications. Colistin should not be used in 1. Patients with hypersensitivity to polymyxins, 2. Severe neuromuscular disorders, 3. Patients with myasthenia gravis, 4. Severe renal impairment, relative contraindication. Number 8. Before taking this medicine, precautions. Before starting colistin, the doctor should assess kidney function. Colistin may cause nephrotoxicity, so renal function must be monitored. Neurological disorders. Use carefully in patients with muscle weakness, nerve disorders. Pregnancy. Use only if benefits outweigh risks. Elderly patients, dose adjustment may be required. Drug interactions avoid with other nephrotoxic or neurotoxic drugs. Number 9. How to use colistin should only be used under medical supervision. IV administration, diluted in appropriate solution, given slowly via intravenous infusion, IM injection, injected deep into muscle, inhalation, administered using nebulizer for lung infections. Important points. Follow prescribed dose and duration. Do not skip doses. Complete full treatment course. Number 10. Dosing information. Adults, loading dose 9 million international units, IV once. Maintenance dose 4.5 million IU every 12 hours. Pediatric dose based on body weight. Dose adjustment required in patients with kidney disease, elderly patients. Number 11, missed dose, overdose, missed dose. Take as soon as remembered. Skip if near the next dose. Do not double the dose. Overdose symptoms, severe kidney damage, muscle weakness, nerve toxicity, respiratory failure. Emergency treatment is required. Number 12, stop or avoid taking. Stop taking Colistin and contact a doctor if severe allergic reaction, severe kidney damage, persistent numbness or tingling, breathing difficulty. Avoid alcohol abuse, nephrotoxic drugs. Number 13, side effects. Common side effects: nausea, vomiting, headache, dizziness, mild kidney impairment. Serious side effects: 1. Nephrotoxicity, increased creatinine, reduced urine output. 2. Neurotoxicity, tingling sensation, dizziness, confusion. 3. Respiratory depression. 4. Allergic reactions. Number 14, vital information monitoring. During treatment, monitor serum creatinine, kidney function, urine output, neurological signs, respiratory function. Colistin therapy requires close medical monitoring because of toxicity. Number 15, other drugs that will affect colistin. Drugs increasing kidney toxicity: gentamicin, amikacin, vancomycin, amphotericin B. Drugs affecting neuromuscular function may increase risk of respiratory depression. Number 16, drug comparison feature colistin, polymyxin B, drug class, polymyxin antibiotic, toxicity, higher nephrotoxicity, slightly lower, prodrug, yes, no, routes, IV-IM, inhalation, IV, use, MDR infections, patient teaching. Patient education is very important because colistin is a powerful antibiotic with possible serious side effects. Patients should clearly understand how to use the medicine safely. 1. Follow the prescription exactly. Take colistin exactly as prescribed by the doctor. Do not change the dose or stop the medication without medical advice. Complete the entire course of therapy, even if symptoms improve. 2. Proper administration. If receiving IV or IM injections, they should be given only by trained healthcare professionals. If using nebulized colistin, follow the correct technique for the nebulizer. Ensure the medication is prepared and stored properly. 3. Importance of completing the treatment. Stopping treatment early can lead to bacterial resistance and recurrence of infection. Always complete the full course of antibiotics. 4. Monitor for side effects. Patients should immediately inform the doctor if they experience decreased urine output, muscle weakness, numbness or tingling, difficulty breathing, severe dizziness or confusion. These may indicate kidney or nerve toxicity. 5. Maintain adequate hydration. Drink plenty of fluids unless restricted by a doctor. Proper hydration helps protect kidney function during therapy. 6. Avoid certain medications. Patients should inform their healthcare provider if they are taking drugs such as gentamicin, amikacin, vancomycin. These medications may increase the risk of kidney damage when used with colistin. Regular monitoring. Patients may need regular laboratory tests, including kidney function tests, blood tests, urine output monitoring. These tests help detect toxicity early. 8. Inform doctor about medical conditions. Patients should tell the doctor if they have kidney disease, neuromuscular disorders, pregnancy or breastfeeding, allergies to antibiotics. 9. Avoid self-medication. Do not take other antibiotics or medicines without consulting the doctor. Avoid over-the-counter nephrotoxic drugs. 10. Report allergic reactions immediately. Seek medical attention if symptoms such as rash, swelling of face or throat, severe itching, difficulty breathing occur after taking the medication. Thank you. Have a nice day.